Welcome to the world of taste, trends, and transformation. The 18th edition of Bakery Business 2025 and the 13th edition of Hotel, Restaurant, and Catering Business Expo. Organized by HoReCa, this iconic event brings together the finest minds and brands from the bakery, hospitality, and catering industries, all under one vibrant roof. From delicious innovations and live demos to cutting edge technologies and business opportunities, this is where creativity rises. Ideas baked to perfection and partnerships are served fresh. Presented by Morde, the 2025 edition is grander than ever, connecting professionals, entrepreneurs, and enthusiasts, shaping the future of food and hospitality. So get ready to explore, connect, and be inspired at Bakery Business and HRC Business Expo 2025, where passion meets perfection and the future of food begins here. This is Rashid, and I'm covering this event for visitexpo.in. So please tell us what are you showcasing here?
Rashid, welcome to Delta. So Delta has been in the business of bakery, pastry, ice cream ingredients the last 25 years. And we've been exhibiting at Bakery Base for ever since it has started about 18 years before. This year what we are exhibiting is very good products for uh, pizza. We've got pizza flour, we've got T45, T55 flour to make croissants, etc. We are also launching frozen croissant range, frozen danishes, frozen range of bakery.
Right.
What you have here is all the products made from our ingredients. Our chefs have created them, and they are the ingredients are all imported, as you know. We represent the best of the brands of the world for cream, for chocolate, for all the bakery pastry raw material.
Right, sir. So if we talk about the key target customers, who are your key target customers? Example, hotels, restaurants, caterers, bakeries, and distributors.
So everybody who's related to the bakery, pastry, or ice cream industry is our customer. Primarily because we cater from a small home baker to the larger corporates, and every bakery or pastry, whoever is in that business, will definitely want to use our products because of mainly of the quality and our service.
Right, sir. So if you talk about the standout offerings, so what makes your offering stand out in the HoReCa industry?
Well, this is the best in quality. They are coming from the topmost companies of the world. So our cream is considered to be a chef's choice worldwide, which is from Elevere. Same goes for our butter, which is dairy butter, and of course all the other ingredients that we do. What we do, Delta is actually offering a 360-degree solution. We have equipments, we've got our technical team who are well trained, a staff, and we have got the ingredients.
Right, sir. So how can our platform visitexpo.in help and enhance your visibility and engagement, and what sort of message that should go to the audience through our platform?
So we understand that your platform has got a great reach, it's got a great credibility, and via your platform, we will be able to reach to audiences who are unable to come here, visit us, and whom we are unable to reach. And since you are already there and you have a credible name in this particular field, it would really help us to take it to another level, reach out to the best.